Hi, sweetie. Relax to my voice. Let me guide you into a deep, comfortable trance. Let go of your worries. Just listen to my soft voice gently ringing in your ears, entering your mind, resonating through every neuron. Feel your entire body getting in tune with my voice, heartbeat slowing down, breath deepening. Each inhale filling you with relaxation, each exhale letting out tension, each inhale making you more suggestible, each exhale making your mind more empty, making more space to be filled with my words, with suggestions of deep, peaceful relaxation, of all your worries melting away the longer you listen, of your body becoming slow and heavy, cozy, relaxed, sleepy, body getting heavier with every breath you take, eyes getting heavier with every breath you take. Just let your eyes close, let yourself drift away, brain shutting off, conscious mind falling asleep as you're taken into a deep, mindless trance. So relaxed, so peaceful. But we can take you even deeper. Let's count you down from 10 to 1, dropping even deeper with each number, feeling even better with each number, becoming completely suggestible and susceptible to my words. Ready? 10. Body getting even heavier. 9. Mind getting even emptier. 8. My suggestions sinking into your brain. 7. Binding your neurons to my will. 6. Feel as little by little. 5. The very reality around you starts to dissolve. 4. Ready to be replaced by my words. 3. As you sink into a fantasy weaved from my voice. 2. Letting go of reality as you drop 1 down. Feel your body firmly supported, lying down on a bed of flowers. Fresh air flowing into your lungs with each breath. Warm sunlight covering your face like a soft blanket. The intoxicating smell of the flowers. Just relaxing, taking a break, taking in the warmth. Body so comfortable you wouldn't ever want to move. And you can just rest, just relax. You don't even realize the vines wrapping around your legs, starting to hold you in place, coiling around, wrapping, restraining. You do notice when they start to wrap around your arms, but by now it's already too late. Unable to escape, only able to struggle, completely in vain, completely helpless, at their mercy. As they continue to wrap around, hold you tight in their embrace, still so comfortable, so relaxed. A massive flower with a campanulate corolla moves into your face, its massive cap holding its fragrance, which swiftly spills out onto your face, making each breath fill your nose with its sweet and relaxing smell. The flower wraps its cup around your nose and mouth, making sure you're only breathing its sweet, relaxing fragrance. Mind getting so fuzzy. The smell is irresistible. Thinking becomes impossible. Limbs restrained, unable to fight back, unable to escape. Eyes heavy, unable to open. Mind so fuzzy, unable to formulate a single thought. Completely docile, just lying there, relaxed, completely at peace. As your mind drifts away into bliss.